remember this always. We must meditate upon God. He is all pure, pavanam pavananam. When we focus our mind upon Him, our mind will also get purified. People here question, this mind is made of Maya and the world is also made of Maya. They are both SIDHARTH of the same nature. So just like the gravitational force of the earth will pull a stone that has been thrown away from it, similarly the material mind will naturally run towards the material world. The question then arises, how will we meditate upon God? Today we shall discuss the king of mind management techniques, which is none other than meditation. The first question, what is the best time of the day to meditate? This is the Brahma Muhurt, 2 hours before sunrise till sunrise, roughly. Brahma means God, and this is the time for communing with God. In the morning, the world is yet sleeping. The environment is calm. The atmosphere is pure. And you have just woken up. Your mind is like an empty slate. As the day proceeds, images, thoughts, emotions will start filling up in it. But right now, it is clean. If you take advantage of the moment and implant in your mind the image of God, you will find it will help you keep your consciousness divine through the day. So, before sleeping every night for 5 minutes, sit down in your bed and
यहाँ पर आप लोगों को शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखना है और धीरे धीरे माउस का पॉइंटर ड्रैग करते जाना है और ड्रैग कीजिएगा। जितना दूर में आप लोग ड्रैग कीजिएगा उतना ये सांप आप लोगों को आगे बढ़ते चला जाएगा। तो दोस्तों वीडियो कैसा रहा कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। जय हिंद दोस्तों।